guys, it's IDW, and today we are going to be doing a really relatively quick video about how exactly memory works in the context of computers. Now, I've already actually done a series on basic levels of memory, but today we're basically going to be explaining how it's applicable into the stuff that we've discussed already in memory. Anyways, so memory is the second main part of a computer, and it's the part that is specifically meant to store data. Other parts of the computer can actually store data themselves, but the memory is the main place that it's like memory is meant to store data in. Anyways, so the best analogy in the workshop for memory is drawers that you put stuff that you're working on in. You might have instructions for other chair legs that you're not working with right now, but you might also store some things that you intend to show off and store later. Or if you're working on two chairs and you've already finished one part of one and you need to clear the area around your workbench in order to work, then you might want to put what you're currently working in one of your drawers. Anyways, so there's basically two types of main memory. They're RAM and ROM, and this should all be reviewed, but occasionally you have another type of memory called a stack, and that isn't usually applied into the actual main memory of a computer, but it's occasionally there, and it's actually more frequent that you're going to have a stack machine, but at least in the terms of Redstone. But I'm sort of getting off of topic. Anyways, so there's two main parts of RAM, just in case you didn't know. RAM is the stuff that you can write to and read to, and ROM is the stuff that you can just read from, that you can't write to. And so basically there's two things that memory can hold in the computer that we're going to be building. You can use all sorts of other things, but the two basic data formats that we're going to be using are the number, or the data, and we're going to be also having instruction. And basically, you can also have stuff like letters and strings, and these are basically the sorts of things that you might define when you're actually programming something. So for instance, you might not just have one kind of number, you might specifically say that it's an integer, and then memory would know that it was an integer, and yeah. So here's some examples of stuff that you could actually store in your memory right here. You could store the number 15, you could store this instruction right here, which is adding register 3 to register 2, or you could just have a character or potentially a string of characters, but yeah, so that's basically really everything that we have to talk about memory. Yeah, that was really simple. Yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.